Now another great thing with this system is if you go to tunes there, you'll see at the bottom the red triangle with the 3 red circles. If I click that, it's showing iPhone and BMW 57231. If for any reason it's not showing, just press it or turn it down here, and then we'll go over to media. Barry's iPhone there, external devices, that's it. So if I turn this up,
back at work on May 31st. The
There you
HPD
go.
officer said it was suspicious on a workplace.
that's Edward Snowden's book. We'll just turn over to Journey. So that's it. That's how you stream audio through the Bluetooth system in this BMW 5 Series.